Everyone's path is different, but the destination and the dream are the same.
My name is Kylie Lorenzen, and Southern New Hampshire University was the best 4 years of my life.
Lorenzen takes for the tie. Yeah, there it is!
I can't really describe it why I chose SNHU, but it was really right when I stepped on campus. It was just a feeling of being home. I went on a lot of college visits before this, and SNHU was really the first place I could really see myself, and it for sure has exceeded my expectations. I really knew that I didn't want to eventually work in a cubicle or inside an office. I learn best when it's more hands-on and I actually do it. The environmental science program, it's fun to learn because it's real life and it's happening right now and it's stuff that we can really fix. It inspires me to kind of help out the world. Traveling was a big thing for me, and going on the Pacific Northwest trip, we were outdoors and learning, and I think it's a priceless kind of experience and type of education, and it was definitely a trip that I'll never forget and has impacted me. Coming here as an 18-year-old, I know whenever I tell people that I am legally blind in one eye, they're always shocked and astonished. I try not to think about it too much because it's just how I've lived. My coaches pushed me, encouraged me to say this isn't a disability. I've always kept that same positive mindset really with kind of everything that I do, whether it's on the court, in the field, or in the classroom.
Macy has 9. Here's Lorenzen for the record. There it is. Kylie Lorenzen and an all-time SNHU scoring record.
When I broke the all-time leading scoring record, and Julie Dabrowski, who was the previous leading scorer, she was actually there and presented me the game ball, and that really just showed the kind of community and family atmosphere that we have at SNHU. I remember seeing all the people who I went through all these classes with, and we made it, and we're all walking across the stage, and we're getting our diplomas, and I was really just kind of thinking about my family. I know they were super proud. I think they got a little emotional too, but you guys might have film on that. But
It's bittersweet because she's our little young baby. Now she's a big girl now, but very proud of her.
That this part of her life is shutting down, but another is opening. And of course I cried, so.
I was very proud of her because I knew how hard she worked.
Thanks, dude.
You're welcome.
Whether you live very close or you live cross country or across the globe, Southern New Hampshire University, it's a home away from home, and I would never change one little thing about it.